I'm Seth, and I'm on Team Joshua.
My name is Joseph, and I'm on Team Joshua.
My name is Harper, and I'm on Team Joshua.
When we decided we were going to work with Joshua, our first idea was to do a prototype of some sort, and after looking around on the internet, we realized there wasn't a lot of simple prototypes that works when you still have a hand and just can't use it. So we decided to make something that would attach to his arm and would still have room for his hand, and he would help him hold different things. And we settled on 3 different attachments: something to help him hold a plate, something to help him hold a ball, and something to help him sweep.
So the hardest challenge we had was mainly figuring out how to put the supports and stuff. And so we eventually kept trying until we got this one design where it actually had the right supports for it.
Here are our iterations. This is version 1. Version 1's fail was because it was too thin, and so it just snapped right off. Version 2's problem was because it was too big and it was too heavy. Version 3 was whenever we started getting there, and we started with the generative design and making it smaller. Version 4 was whenever we started implementing the screw design for the modifications. Version 5 was not much different, but it had smoother edges so that it wouldn't hurt as much. And then our final version was in order to make this to be capable of turning. These were, the first design got caught up, and then we got to the second design, which worked.
We thought about generative design, where Fusion 360 takes our design and makes it stronger with using very little material. So we created this generative design and added the force, the obstacle geometries, and preserved our original geometry. Started with a more simple type thing. After it did that, it created more and just kept going until it got something that was good.
What I learned the most from this, how to use Fusion 360, because I never used it before.
Joshua can't do everything that I can do, so I just really like helping him to make him be able to do more.